Hello my viewers, today I've come to show you something very different. This is what we call an old model of a vehicle. Others call it antique or vintage vehicles. Now the one you're seeing here, this is a manual car. I think you can see. This is the master cylinder, the one for the brakes. And this other master cylinder you're seeing here, this is the one for the clutch. Because this is a manual vehicle. You have to clutch down or to step on the clutch pedal. Brake fluid comes and goes there to separate the flywheel from the clutch in order for you to brake. Now when you come here, this is our fuel line. Now this one you're seeing here, this one sucks fuel from the tank and it comes. This is the pump. All the type of vehicles have this kind of a pump. It's also run by the engine. So when it sucks fuel, this one goes into the tank. When it sucks fuel, comes into here. Now fuel follows this line and it comes here to the carburetor. Now this is the carburetor system. I think you can see the air inlet. Old vehicles used not to have the air mass, because if it's these brand new vehicles, it would be having here the air mass and the socket plus the throttle. Now for the case of this one, it has this one like this you're seeing here. It's like a saucepan. This is the air intake system for old vehicles. Now another thing to talk about, this one you're seeing here. This is the one that supply sparks to the plugs. But how does the system works? So current start from here, or let me say power. It starts from here. This is what we call the high tension lead. This one you're seeing here. Now the high tension lead manufactures power or electricity and it transports it like this to the distributor. This one here, I think you can see. It transports power or current, moves and comes to the distributor. This one you're seeing here. This is our distributor. Now the distributor is also run by the engine. I think you can see it also comes and goes to the main pulley, where it's connected to the gears that enables it to keep on spinning whenever the engine is running. So this distributor, what it does, it also breaks this power or sparks, so it keeps on distributing. That's why it's called a distributor. Depending on the name it does, it also keeps on distributing power to plugs here. I think you can see. This is our plug 1. This is the tension lead. Now this is our plug number 2. This one here. Meaning that sparks comes through this and it's connected here, because for an engine for a combustion to take place, we have to be having what we call sparks and fuel. So fuel is manufactured through this and it comes here through the manifold from the distributor, from the carburetor, and goes to the manifold. Now sparks is also brought through this way, and these are our plugs you're seeing here. Now this is number 3 and this is tension lead number 4. That's number 4. Meaning they all pick sparks from here that is manufactured by this distributor, because it's the distributor that it's the high tension lead. This one you're seeing here. Others call it the coil. So it's the one that brings sparks. So its work is to bring sparks here to the distributor. Now with the help of the engine, The distributor will also keep on spinning. Whenever it spins, depending on which piston that is up, it also brings sparks there up, like as you see. So this is the old version of vehicles. I think you can see it doesn't have so many components like these brand new vehicles that of nowadays. I think you can see our radiator. This is our radiator, and this is our pressure cap. We open here and pour in water into the radiator. This is our radiator, and this is the fan that keeps on cooling. This one brings into the radiator, and this one takes out from the radiator and goes back to the engine. I think you can see the hose pipe that brings water from the radiator, it's always up like this, goes into the radiator for cooling. Now it also follows through these things you're seeing here, and it goes down. It comes here like this, back to the engine. This is our filter, this one here, the one for oil. And down there what you're seeing, that is our starter, because whenever you are cranking like this, it is this one that runs the flywheel in order for engine to start. So my viewers, don't forget to like, put your comment there, such that in case I've missed something to explain more, such that I can give more elaboration next time. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.